Welcome to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel. Today, we're going to reveal a simple yet highly effective natural solution that could lead to a flatter stomach by morning. A special tea that harnesses the healing properties of herbs. Remember to engage with us in the comments section, subscribe for more enlightening health videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. In our quest for health and vitality, we often overlook the simplest solutions nature offers us. Among these, certain teas stand out for their remarkable benefits, especially when it comes to digestive health and achieving that desired flatter stomach. Tonight, before you head to bed, consider brewing a cup of this powerful tea to support your digestive system. Reduce bloating and wake up feeling lighter. The key ingredient in our special tea is peppermint. Peppermint is not just a refreshing herb. It's a digestive aid that relaxes the muscles of the stomach, reducing bloating and easing discomfort. It encourages the passage of food and air through the digestive tract, ensuring a restful sleep without the heaviness or bloating often experienced after a late meal. To complement peppermint, we add ginger to the mix. Ginger, a revered spice worldwide, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to enhance digestion. It works by stimulating saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, facilitating better digestion and absorption of nutrients. This dynamic duo of peppermint and ginger can significantly contribute to a flatter stomach by morning, thanks to their combined effects on soothing the digestive system and promoting efficient digestion. Here's how to prepare this magical tea. Begin with fresh or dried peppermint leaves and a small piece of ginger root. If fresh is unavailable, organic, high-quality dried herbs will work wonderfully as well. Boil water and pour it over a tablespoon of peppermint leaves and a teaspoon of grated ginger. Allow the mixture to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it steeps, the more potent the tea. Strain the tea into your favorite cup, inhaling the soothing aroma before taking a sip. If desired, a small spoon of honey can be added, not just for sweetness, but for its antibacterial and soothing properties. Enjoy this tea about 30 minutes before bedtime. It's not just the act of drinking the tea that helps, but the ritual itself promotes relaxation and prepares your body for a restful night's sleep, further aiding digestion and the body's natural detoxification processes overnight. Beyond this tea, staying hydrated throughout the day, eating a balanced diet rich in fiber, and regular exercise are all crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and achieving a flatter stomach. Remember, no single remedy is a magic bullet, but incorporating this tea into your nightly routine can be a significant step towards your health goals. We're eager to hear about your experience with this tea and any other natural remedies you've found beneficial for digestive health. Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Your insight not only enriches our community, but also inspires others to embrace natural healing paths. For more detailed information on natural remedies, dietary tips, and lifestyle changes that can help you achieve a healthier, more vibrant life, be sure to check out all our informative videos. At Natural Healing Guides, you'll find a wealth of knowledge that complements the tips shared in this video, offering you a comprehensive approach to natural health and wellness. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit from our tips, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Together, let's embrace the power of natural remedies and make positive strides towards our health and well-being.